afternoon, everyone. We are the Group 5. I'm Angel.
I am Atoy. I am Mark.
I am Jamil, and today we will be having an experiment demonstrating about Avogadro's law. Before we start our experiment, it's important to wear a lab gown and a gloves. And the next one is the materials we will need for the experiment. These are the materials that we need to use to demonstrate the experiment about Avogadro's law. The first one is plastic funnel. The second one is baking soda. The third is vinegar. 2 plastic bottles, 2 balloons, and 2 plastic spoons. Now, let's move on to the experiment.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we will be demonstrating the Avogadro's law experiment. So, together with my groupmate, I'm Mark Jason and I am Adrian Montillas. So, yung first step para gawin nito, lagay mo yung plastic panel sa balloon para matansya nyo yung lalagay nyo sa baking powder or para di matapon yung baking powder or baking soda pala. So, lalagyan natin ng baking soda yung plastic balloon. So, yung next step niyan, maglalagay tayo ng vinegar sa plastic bottle. Kung merong mga lines ganyan yung mga plastic bottle, sundan nyo lang yung pangalawang line para patansyan nyo yung vinegar.
Wow!
Nilagay namin yung baking soda sa balloon na ginamit namin yung pan. So, ngayon naman lalagay namin yung second step, lalagay namin yung vinegar sa plastic bottle. So, kung may mga lines yung mga plastic bottle nyo, sundan nyo yung hagang dalawang line. Third step naman, lalagay mo yung balloon sa head ng plastic bottle. So, yung third step natin is, diba lalagyan natin ng baking soda yung balloon. Kakabit natin yan sa kung saan natin lalagay yung vinegar sa plastic bottle. So, tataas natin yan para malaman natin.
Wow!
So, how does it work? The vinegar and the baking soda mix together to make an acid-base reaction. The reaction creates carbon dioxide gas that bubbles up from the mixture. The gas expands up and out of the bottle and inflates the balloon. And that would be Avogadro's law, which states that when pressure and temperature are kept constant, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the number of moles that gas present. In other words, the more gas you evolve, the bigger the volume of the balloon will be. And also, if the amount of gas in a balloon is increased, the volume increases. If the amount of gas in a balloon is decreased, the volume decreases. Suppose the amount is decreases, this means there are less gas molecules and this will be decrease the number of impact on the balloon. Suppose the amount is increases, this means there are more gas molecules, or this will increase the number of impact in a balloon.